Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I've got another interesting review for you, and guess what? This is from Amazon. Yes, another Amazon skincare. Do you like Amazon skincare? Now, listen to this. This is from Revital Lab. You can find it on Amazon, and they have very interesting products depending on your skin needs. You can get whatever you want. Now, this is a serum, which is a power face serum, as they claim, and is moisturizing, okay, and it protects and perfects your skin. So it claims it's a 24-hour hydration facial serum, and it's a 30 ml. Quite big. I mean, it's okay for a serum, a facial serum. Now let's read it. It says Revital Lab facial, power face serum with superfoods, a concentrated product specially formulated to provide an effective defense against the environmental aggressors, relying on a powerhouse active ingredient complex. Green 4 superfood complex, cocoa, green tea, coconut, and olive. These are some very great ingredients. Counteract the harmful environmental factors with its skin shielding, deeply hydrating, and toning properties. Yeah, so protects your skin, deeply hydrates, and it tones, like gets rid of unevenness and gives you the even skin tone. Hyaluronic acid instantly quenches skin thirst. If your skin is thirsty, if you've got dry skin, hyaluronic acid in this product is ready for you, making it fresh and toned. How to use? Just apply in the mornings or evenings, or and evenings. So morning and evening, or morning or evening on well cleansed skin. As simple as that. Yeah, so basically this is a product from Amazon. Look at that. Look at how cute this is. The packaging is great. For the price, this was about 7 or 8 euros. Yeah, for the price, this packaging is great. Look at how cute it is. I've bought some more expensive stuff which did not even meet the standard of packaging. Like, look at that. As you can see, it's cloudy. Look at that. But I must say, this pipette over here, this dropper over here, doesn't really work well. It doesn't really suck much. I don't know if it's intentional or it's a defect. It doesn't really suck much. But yeah, I mean, you get the little you need for your face. And this smells so good. The smell is gentle, ladylike, calm. It has fragrance. So those of you who love fragrance, if you don't like fragrance, maybe this might not be for you, because it's got some fragrance, but it's gentle and appealing. It's not pungent. This is to be used on the face. I mean, you can use it on your body if you mix it with other, your favorite body lotion or cream. But this is a 30 ml, so you're supposed to use this only on your face, and it's going to last you a long time. So does this really walk the talk? Honestly, I must say I was surprised by how this product works. As you know, it's super affordable. It's from Amazon. It's not a famous cosmetic brand, Revital Lab, but I use this before going to bed, so it's part of my nighttime skin routine. So I put this on my face after I have double cleansed my face, and I jump into bed. I don't use a skin cream or facial cream afterwards. I just use this, only this, and I jump into bed. Now I must say, this does not leave your skin greasy. This is moisturizing, it's hydrating, but it does not leave your skin greasy. It sucks into your skin. Everything goes into your skin. You can see that. It makes your skin feel good, but it doesn't leave the skin greasy or oily. So this is also great for those of you with oily skin, acne prone skin. It's going to moisturize your skin without making it oily. Great product, especially for the summer when it's warm and you don't want to have anything to do with an oil because it makes you feel like you're frying. This is going to moisturize you without making you look or feel like a fried fish. So yeah, this is hydrating, very hydrating. If I use it in the night before, going to bed, and I wake up in the morning, I can see my skin feels good. My face feels good. It feels very moisturized. When you are going to bed, especially for those of us who put our face on the pillow like that, you need a serum. You need something to work on your skin so that you wake up good, you wake up beautiful, you wake up moisturized. You don't want to wake up dried and, your skin is everywhere. No, no, no. This product over here does a great job at moisturizing. It claims to improve skin tone, but that one, I don't know. Okay, I've been using this for more than 1 month, but I cannot attest to that. Moisturizing, yes, it moisturizes great, but improving the skin tone, brightening, getting rid of blemishes, giving you an even skin tone, I can't say honestly. If you want this for a great moisturizer, a great moisturizing serum, hell yeah, this is good. It's going to moisturize you very, very well. But if you want it because it's going to tone up your skin, remove blemishes, give you an even skin tone, no, 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 don't even try it. Don't waste your money because you're not going to get that. All right. So yeah, that's the honest truth. Great products. I'm definitely going to get it again as a moisturizer, but as it claims to brighten up skin, even our skin tone, that doesn't work. It's only good for moisturizing. So yeah, basically that is this serum, superfood serum with UVA and UVB filters. I mean, they didn't write the amount, the percentage, the SPF, which indicates is maybe super low. So it is advisable to use your own SPF if you want to step out during the day, because they don't have the amount, the percentage, SPF over here. So yeah, great moisturizer, smells good, feels good on the skin, and I'm definitely going to get this again. So let me find out, have you ever tried skincare from Amazon? Are you thinking of trying? What do you think? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.